Hello everyone, welcome back. If the autofill password is not working on your iPhone and iPad after the update of latest iOS 17, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings, find and tap on Safari. Here we have to tap on autofill and make sure that use contact info and the credit card are enabled. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to the second solution. Next thing that we have to do, settings. Here we have to tap on password. Now tap on autofill password and turn off autofill password. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, go back to settings again, scroll, find and tap on password, then tap on autofill password and enable autofill password. The next solution is we have to go back to settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Next thing that we have to do, we have to go back to settings, tap on your profile icon. Here we have to tap on iCloud. Here we have to tap on keychain and enable iCloud keychain, or you will get an option in iOS 17 synchronize with keychain. The next thing that we have to do, go back to settings, general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.